Glamour, beauty, sex appeal, youth. Everywhere gorgeous images of female perfection. It's enough to make a girl jealous. All these stars, they all look great. They're the same age as me. Fortunately, there's a £650 million anti-aging industry out there, promising to remove wrinkles and rebuild bodies.
You have here lots of lines on your forehead, and that can be reduced.
So, step by step over the next few weeks, spending as little as possible, I'm going to try out a whole range of anti-aging treatments. But what will work and what will hurt? They do say there's no gain without pain. Could I do that? Would I really go this far? I'm going to find out whether I can turn back the clock and regain my youth. I'm Niki Taylor, not exactly billboard material, a 41-year-old single mum and sagging all over. A prime candidate for an anti-aging experiment. There's no way I'm taking my clothes off. I've got just over £5 of my own dough to play with, so here goes. Time to find out if the industry really can deliver on making me look younger, and to find out how much it's all going to cost. I'm going to try anti-wrinkle creams, a new diet, and perhaps some Botox injections. I thought I'd start by seeing how some old school friends are faring. I haven't seen them for years. It's very interesting to see how kind of like well preserved everyone is. They're all looking fab. Is it their genes or are they cheating? A bit of Botox always helps. Botox? Do you think it does? Have you done it? Yeah. Have you? Sophie, did you? Where did you have yours? Just in the middle. Because your foreheads do look like baby's bottoms. They really do look amazing.
Yeah, honestly.
You know, it's nice to know that you've had a bit of help,
yeah,
just a bit, because you can't put it all
But
down.
why not?
I know, why not?
Why not? If it makes you feel good, why not?
If you can't beat them, join them. My new regime starts tomorrow. I'm going to start an experiment today. I've bought lots of products that I hope are going to make me look really young and beautiful.
Mum, you already look young.
I don't look young. This load of anti-wrinkle creams from the high street has cost me nearly £200.
Let's have a look.
They say they'll firm, plump and smooth my ageing skin. And they're cheaper than Botox. A good way to start. I'll be beautiful.
Why do you need this?
Because if I do this like this with my eyes, this is what I really hate this. Look. Watch.
Mummy. Mummy, I can't watch.
That is what we're getting rid of, okay? The great thing is they promise to work surprisingly fast. In 1 hour, instant firming effect. In 7 days, my skin is going to look and feel smoother. I'm just getting rid of the baggy bits and the wrinkles. And why am I doing it? Because I'm worth it.
Because you want to look younger.
Yeah.
So you can get more boyfriends.
No! Can you ready?
Yeah.
We'll hold the camera up. Right. I'll get a bit closer. With a record of how I look today, I'll be able to check how I'm doing in my race to look younger. Oh, not a pretty picture. Thank you. For the next few days, I'm going to be the anti-wrinkle cream queen. I'm going to religiously apply everything I've bought. This anti-aging face mask makes me feel like a brand new mummy. Can you just get that hard bit, Freya, on the ball of my foot? That ball bit? Yeah. Oh, God, that's great, Freya.
Hi, Niki.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Apart from my wrinkles, I've got a pot belly that makes me feel like grandma. I've come to see an ex-boyfriend, Nigel. Just my luck, he's turned into a rather successful plastic surgeon. What does he suggest?
What do you think troubles you the most?
What the real problem is like, here, what it is I've got like a smile, it's like a smile. And so it's like this is like two eyes, a nose and a smile. And I look in the mirror and I go, stop bloody smiling at me. Can you make it happen for me?
You may be a candidate for a tummy tuck. It would take the overhang away.
I think it would really give me loads of confidence.
But I think you could lose some weight and you'd do better if you lost some weight. If you saw someone, you know.
Is that because you just looked at, you just thought I looked fat?
Yeah, I think you said to me, you said to me you felt you were half a stone overweight.
Yeah, but I mean, of course, you know, Yeah.
you're 40, you've had 3 children.
Yeah,
Of course.
yeah. Well, you, my trusty skills, you never lie to me, do you? Come on, be nice, be nice. And the weight is... I am a big fat porker. Oh, God. That is more than I thought. That really is more than I thought. Oh. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Ow. Fuck. There's no way I'm rushing into a tummy tuck. It's expensive, and it's major surgery. A change in lifestyle might be less painful. Or will it? Friends have recommended the 7-day cabbage soup diet. Cabbage and a few veg twice a day. Every day. And I'm giving up my 20-year cigarette habit. They kill you, and they give you wrinkles too. It's extra sessions down the gym.
5 seconds. 1, push, good. Jesus Christ.
And that's not all. I'm adding kickboxing to my fitness regime.
9,
8,
7,
6,
I'm counting, 7,
5.
I'm counting, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year, there you go.
Hey Freya, will you come and take me a photo, please? We're 7 days into the diet, the exercise and all those creams. Surely my wrinkles are disappearing.
Yes!
My skin must be smoother.
You know you put that cream on there.
Yeah?
Nothing's happened.
Thanks. Okay, that's great.
You asked me.
Freya's right. I don't look any different. No younger at all. The before photo is the one on the left, by the way. Maybe the problem is money. Maybe the creams I'm buying are, well, just too cheap. Take Renutrif, for example, Estee Lauder's top of the range. It's £300 for that little pot. It must really work. Estee Lauder says it contains 2 special ingredients, deep sea water from Hawaii and minerals from Okinawa. Is it effective? Who knows? But it sounds so convincing. The problem is, cosmetic companies don't always tell the whole truth. L'Oreal, another big multinational corporation, had to withdraw this advert for its wrinkle decrease cream because of this claim.
76% reported visible reduction on expression lines.
Trouble was, L'Oreal couldn't back that up with enough evidence.
L'Oreal Paris.
Because you're worth it. Shh.
So can anti-aging creams work? I've come to see a consultant dermatologist to get the lowdown.
Come in.
Hello, Dr. Susan.
Good morning.
Good morning. Listen, I've got some questions that I'm desperate to ask you. Could you give me very simple answers? Yes or no or maybe. Can a skincare product impart the secret of longevity of an orchid?
Unlikely.
Can a concentration of caviar extracts transform your face?
Absolutely not.
Can a sea plant help the calcium in your skin perform?
No.
The mushroom of eternal youth can make wrinkles seem to disappear.
The word seem gives us some flexibility.
Now, are these basically exaggerated claims, or, is there some truth in this?
I'm sure they're exaggerated claims. There's only one product that has scientific evidence backing up the claims that it actually helps reverse the signs of photoaging, and that's a vitamin A compound called retin A, or retinoic acid. And
Well, obviously that is in these products.
well, I'd say it almost definitely is not in these products. Retin A is only available on prescription. It's quite irritating on the skin. It makes your skin pink and dry and slightly flaky. And it's that which limits people's ability to use it.
So, in a way, what you're saying is that it's no pain, no gain. It's got to be the more painful or the more irritant it is towards the skin, the more effective it is going to be towards your wrinkles.
Yes, in this case, I would say that's a good quote.
Oh, these are what I have to look forward to.
Retin A turns out to be the only anti-aging product to be properly tested for its effect on wrinkles.
You've got this lady with, before treatment, or before the trial, with quite a few wrinkles here and vast improvement here.
She looks as if she's had a facelift, doesn't she?
Yes.
And that's
But
basically...
she won't have had a lift. This is a proper trial. This will just be using the cream.
Would you advise me, therefore, in spending like £200 on one of these creams?
No, I wouldn't recommend that. I would say use Retin A at night if your skin can tolerate it, or every other night or twice a week, and then use a sunscreen in the morning and use a middle-of-the-range priced moisturiser for the rest of the time. And spend your money on something else.
Yeah, you sort of burst my bubble.
Sorry.
Okay.
It might be a cure for wrinkles, but I'll have to use Retin A for a year to see the benefit. There's a Botox bash tonight, and I'm invited. It's round at my friend Tracy's house.
Nice to see you.
Are you going to have any? No, Botox.
Oh, yeah.
These days, you don't have to go to a doctor's surgery. Even hairdressers and beauticians are doing it. Botox parties are all the rage. Around 50,000 Botox injections were sold in Britain last year. Our jabs come in a chiller bag with a travelling doctor. Botanics is one of a number of companies offering Botox at home.
Everybody, this is Dr. Bloom. He's a highly experienced and qualified cosmetic surgeon.
Hi.
The doctor, who delivers Botox on his scooter, explains what's going to happen.
It is a medical procedure, even if it's for vanity, just for you to know, to have had alcohol in the few hours before the procedure could increase the risk of bruising. That's it. Okay. So you know about it now.
Oh, I'm frightened of needles.
I just want to... How big is the needle?
Very, very tiny. I would say when it's done by me, almost not painful. So who are my patient? You are my patient.
I am a patient.
And
At
you
£300 a pop, only Tracy and I are going for it.
I would like you to...
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, here.
Yeah, that would be great.
Can you lie on the sofa?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, what I would like maybe is you to prepare here, just to take away the food and maybe get...
Bit
clean a little
unhygienic,
bit.
really, isn't it? Bit unhygienic to have...
Well, it's not a... I mean, it's clean anyway, whatever I do. But I would like to be away from everything which could bring something which is dirty or could risk an infection.
You don't need to change into sterile clothing.
No.
You don't need white things or...
No.
The sitting room's now a surgery, and it's time to prepare the injections.
Botox is ready.
I get Tracy to go first. It doesn't seem too bad. There's no blood. Now it's time for Dr. Bloom's attack on my wrinkles.
I mean, you have here lots of lines on your forehead. That can be reduced. Let's see where I am going to inject you. Now.
He plans an assault on my forehead. A dozen entry points are plotted for the needle. I'm glad I've had the wine. It's steadying my nerves.
You don't need.
Botox works by reducing the number of nerve impulses to muscles in the face.
You will see.